Biya Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel. Ner mala ka nyam kan asan konti liang ka ruasni ka Nuer online TV channel. Ban ler me bana jaling ka kui ŋiääc ni kini de kontin la gada ngi dul gorka ban roja dan chikan la rewi ka so Sudan bana jaling guasme. Ka le dan inshallah guasme rewi ka so Sudan. Raja me jene ka ŋiääcin kon ŋiääc ka gadul gora. Kene nene ŋiääc bi ka dul gor ka lef ka kui gandul gora enimi sha yo kiɛn tilakan ka kaf chago kon kamke mi sha yo tilakan ka kaf chago kon kamke rewich ka bargazal ala western bargazal kene jen bune dul gor ka bune kule lebo kene shi ka te ka pedwal jok te tel yo kaf kan ka no shi kan kum South Sudan jogo na kene gone no ba pet dangwal jok ba ka kon clear ngot kandul gor ka kana kep kana ne lep ko dul gor ka ba jele ko kor paden be kene ba yur to ba kon yorpin ala yu kon kan ka kep no ba biga dul gor kan kula tok malat kono gwasame na me da shit ko e bar gazal karwada duno re wi ka so Sudan ke lu shu jon shu kan ko kene ko la civil servant tal yur jeken ka no jen kuyel nena gwasame ci gorudien moy kadol kel mi kana mat pin kan dial kane kon te ka western bargazal ka do badana ci kan yo ci kan jeka jam ke ci yo ci ka be ka ka ban rajame ban nyoko milin kon ka english ka do badana cha gor ka ja. The public primary and secondary school teacher in Western Bargazal want the government to clear their 13-month salary arrear before the reopening of the school next month. They made the call on Friday morning during a Union General's Assembly at the State Minister of General Education and Instructions. The union had called the meeting to focus on the challenge the teachers were facing and to chart the way forward, including the demand for respect for the profession. The meeting was conducted under the theme, "We stand together for peace, unity, and deserve equal right in the country." Some of the teachers who spoke on this meeting, including Justin Matthew, say the government did not take them seriously. Thus, this salary were always delayed. We are demanding our money. There's no equality because some people have already received their salaries, but we in the Ministry of Education have been ignored. This shows that the teachers are not taken seriously. If we are not working, then let the government should close down the Ministry of Education. We will not teach if we are not given our salaries. We need to be physically and emotionally fit when we go to teach. Bezerian Edward Arun said, teachers were facing several economic challenges. As a teacher, you are responsible for the future generation. If teachers goes to class while worried about their family, they cannot deliver well, say Arun. Moses Stephen said they had not been paid for more than 13 months. We are demanding that government pay our salaries on time and that the area be clear. Kene gur kano yuk en dial deka yuar pin ko chi ka pedwal jok ka telemi cha kam ka kene en ode teacher de ngi lora bang ka kan yu to kan ga yuar pin nyu de ja gwa chen a teacher che late de lon ka chen ngi che de lon na me jen le dana gor de nyu ya kel ani bi atamal ban nyu de gum den bye bye.